Some people may have noticed something in the rear fender well. Yes, we are working on a multi-position relocation system for the shocks. Something that actually allows adjustment for the shocks, as well as a standard 10-inch travel shock with minimal lift to fit in here, and have all the right angles, multiple points of adjustability. It's going to be a cool system. It's also going to relocate the lower. So you'll gain about 3 inches of clearance with relocating the lower. The lower currently has no gusseting on it or anything of that nature. We're still working on that. Kind of got the beginning of a plan here. So that'll be out shortly.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name.